Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to display several videos on your screen simultaneously. To begin, navigate to your project area and import your footage by dragging and dropping the files. I'll bring in my first and second clips now. I am going to trim this footage slightly to make it more manageable as we work. Now, let's arrange these two videos side by side. Start by selecting your first clip and reducing its size. Head over to the Effect Controls panel and slide the scale value to the left. Setting it to around 30% works well. Next, adjust the clip's placement using the X and Y coordinates. Remember, the X-axis shifts the image horizontally, while the Y-axis moves it vertically. We want to shift this one toward the left and near the center. Follow the same process for the second clip by scaling it down, perhaps to about 19%, and then shifting it over to the right side. To see them together, simply stack the second clip on the layer above your first one in the timeline. Now, both videos will play at the same time. You can also customize the look by adding a background. Just move both video tracks up by one layer and place your background element, like this white mat, into the empty bottom track. If you found these instructions useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next tutorial.